All right, the last part of our study guide to help us practice for our Mr. Turrup assessment tomorrow is text evidence, which we've worked a lot with the last couple months. So how do you use text evidence, that means direct quotes, to prove your answer? Let's go ahead and look at the first example, which is part of the text that's taken right from the story. Notice it's in quotation marks because it's copied word for word. I'm going to read it aloud. Please follow along. 27 links. That's how many it took for the chain to hit the floor. I was wrong. I had estimated 26. Mr. Turrup has us estimate the final number when we only had 5. Most everybody jotted down random guesses, but I took a ruler and measured the length of what we had and the length left to reach the floor. Okay, now we read our question. What did this student, this was Luke, use to estimate how many links would be in the chain? Answer the question and then support your answer with evidence from the text. Make sure to use a direct quotation. So I would like you to go ahead and try to answer the question in your own words first. Go ahead. Okay, so maybe in your answer, in your own words, you went ahead and in a complete sentence rewrote part of the question. This student used, and when I go back and I reread the text, everybody else jotted down random guesses, but this person took a ruler and measured the length of what was already there. So this student used a ruler to estimate how many links would be in the chain. Links would be in the chain, period. But you're not done and I'm not done. What does it need next? A direct quote for evidence. Go ahead and try to find a direct quote that proves that he used a ruler and not a meter stick and not his shoe to guess the number of links it would take. And pause the video. Okay, hopefully now you've stopped the video and restarted it, and you have already have your own direct quote down, but let's just double check, okay? So I would probably say the text says, and you know what? I like doing everything possible to help me know I copy it word for word. So I'm just going to go ahead and underline the part that shows that he used a ruler. And then I'm going to copy that part. The text says, I took a ruler and measured the length of what we had. And I'm going to stop the quote there because that part of the direct quote proves my answer of he used a ruler to estimate. So I actually can stop there. And I have my quotation marks to prove I copied it.